In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about your attitude and how it impacts your business. I think you'll find it interesting. Stick around. I know you're already thinking, okay, I know, have a positive attitude and everything's going to be great. But in fact, what we feed ourselves on, our mind, and what we think about, rooting out negative thoughts and really focusing on being positive in attitude can really impact our business. Let me share a story with you. Years ago, I was out selling my commercial accounts, and this would happen fairly often. I would find that if I was having a lousy day and I wasn't being able to really be effective in, getting anybody to say yes, I would normally just stop my cold calling, my selling, just give up. Sometimes I would actually go and take a break, grab a coffee, and I would normally keep like a selling book with me and go and read like a chapter of it just to kind of get my mind back into the game and then go out and try again. Now, if I couldn't be effective on my second go round, I would just give up and stop. Because I learned from experience that negative, I can't do anything right today, attitude would affect the way that I sold. But on the other hand, whenever I would have a positive outcome, somebody's on the line, they're going to buy, they're going to start using our service, I would keep selling. And what I found was this: when I was on my game, when I was having a good day, I would keep selling, bam, 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 I would be able to continue to line up sale after sale. Here's the point: that positive energy, that positive feeling that I had towards what I was doing was contagious, and that was able to help me be more effective. So what's the takeaway from all that? Well, you know the old analogy: is this glass half full or is it half empty? You tell me. Half empty or half full? See, if we go through life with a negative feeling, especially right now with the virus and everything, and the economy and political news and all the things that we're just surrounded with, bombarded with, it's easy to start getting a negative attitude. But that negative attitude will impact your business in a negative way. However, if you can stay focused on the positive, keep your energy up, and stay positive in your dealings with others, and just when you pick up the phone, when you're dealing with customers, if you keep a positive outlook, feel good about yourself and what's going on in your business, that's going to transfer to your customers. They're going to pick up on that, and you're going to be able to convey to them that you are a professional, that's happy about life, that you're successful, and they're going to want to be a part of that. So just maybe a little time for an attitude tune-up, especially right now when things are a little challenging. Work on that aspect when it comes to your frontline people, the people that answer the phones, and your techs as they deal with your customers. Make sure that they see a happy face and a positive attitude. We can do this spirit, we're going to get it done, we're going to fix the problem, we're going to get it accomplished for you. That's what we try to do here at Excellent Supply, is to help our customers in a positive way. Feel free to reach out to us. Hopefully these little tips will continue to help you grow your commercial business. We're here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply. Thanks for watching this episode, and again, hit the like, comment, subscribe button below. We appreciate it when you do that too. That helps us with YouTube. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this little suggestion about a positive attitude will give you something positive to think about in your business. Thanks for watching.